my dear children. This is Somasundari, Social Department. Today we are discussing about Civics Unit 5, India's International Organizations. Children, before starting the class, I will ask a few questions from previous topic. Are you ready? Okay, let's start. Question number 1. Dash agreement called the Chabahar Agreement. Dash agreement called the Chabahar Agreement. Answer is trilateral. The trilateral agreement called the Chabahar Agreement. Question number 2. Name the countries has signed a communication, compatibility and security agreement. Name the countries has signed a communication, compatibility and security agreement. Answer is India and USA. Answer is India and USA. Question number 3. India and Dash launched the International Solar Alliance. India and Dash launched the International Solar Alliance. Answer is France. India and France launched the International Solar Alliance. Question number 4. JEC was established in. JEC means Japanese Endowed Course in English Engineering Colleges. Japanese Endowed Course in Engineering Colleges was established in Dash. Answer is Andhra Pradesh. JEC was established in Andhra Pradesh. Question number 5. The government of Japan has offered Dash seats per year to Indian nationals for a master's degree course in the University of Japan. The government of Japan has offered Dash seats per year to Indian nationals for a master's degree course in the University of Japan. Answer is 20 seats. 20 seats. Children, I hope you are all got correct answer. Isn't it? Yes. Well done. Now we are going to discussing today's topic, India's and international organizations. India is a potential superpower and has a growing international influence all around the world. The country has been emerging as a prominent ally in the global affairs. Not only a regional power, the country has also been a strong nuclear power in the world. Being a nearly industrialized country, India has a great history of collaboration with several countries. India has acted as a prominent member of several international organizations and has also been a founding member of some. India has played a pivotal and influential role in organizations like the World Trade Organization, the International Monetary Fund. Being a newly industrialized country, India has a great history of collaboration with several countries. India has acted as prominent member of several international organizations and has been founding member of. India is a member of formed some grouping like UNO, NAM, SAARC, G20 and the Commonwealth. Now I will explain some global grouping. India is actively engaged in general economic diplomacy, which is evident in the country being part of several economic coalitions. They name the global groupings. First one, IBSA. IBSA, global group of IBSA means India, Brazil and South Africa, the three large democracies and major economic from three different continents facing similar challenges. IBSA was formed in 6th June 2003. The main objectives of IBSA to focus on agriculture, education, energy, trade, culture and defense among others. Next one, BCIM. Next, the global group BCIM. BCIM means Bangladesh, China, India, Myanmar. The Forum for Regional Cooperation is a sub-regional organization of Asian nations. It aimed at greater integration of trade and investment between four countries, and the economic corridor has grown out of it. The main objectives of BCIM to respect the threat such as natural disasters and data breaches and protect business interest. Next, the third global group MGC. MGC means Mekong Ganga Cooperation. The member of MGC India, Cambodia, Laos, Myanmar, Thailand and Vietnam. The main objectives of MGC to create necessary infrastructural facilities in the Ganga Mekong basin. The MGC was launched in 2000 at Vientiane, Laos, BDR. Next, the global group BIMSTEC, BIMSTEC. It means Bay of Bengal Initiative for Multi-Sectoral Technical and Economic Cooperation. The member of BIMSTEC Bangladesh, India, Myanmar, Sri Lanka, Thailand, Bhutan and Nepal. The main objectives of BIMSTEC to strengthen and improve the technological economic cooperation, international trade and foreign direct investment cooperation. Next, RCEP, the global group of RCEP, Regional Comprehensive Economic Partnership. The member of Regional Comprehensive Economic Partnership, Australia, Brunei, Cambodia, China, India, Indonesia, Japan, Korea, Laos, Malaysia, Myanmar, New Zealand, Philippines, Singapore, Thailand and Vietnam. So main objectives to achieve modern high quality and mutually beneficial agreement that covers trade in goods, trade in service, investments, technical cooperation and disputes settlement in other issues. Next, the global group of East Asia Summit, EAS. The East Asia Summit, 10 Asian nations plus 8 strategic partners including US, China, India and Japan are members of EAS. East Asia Summit main objectives to promote peace and stability. Next, the global group of GCC, Gulf Cooperation Council. The member of Gulf Cooperation Council, Bahrain, Kuwait, Oman, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, United Arab Emirates and India. The main objectives of Gulf Cooperation Council to achieve unity based on their common objectives and their similar political and cultural identities. Next, the global group of BIN, BBIN. B means Bangladesh, next B means Bhutan, I means India, N means Nepal. The member of BBIN is Bangladesh, Bhutan, India, Nepal. So main objectives for energy development. BIPIN means main objectives is for energy development. So last global group of company SCO, Shanghai Cooperation Organization. Shanghai Cooperation Organization. So member of Shanghai Cooperation Organization is India, Kazakhstan, China, Kyrgyzstan, Pakistan, Russia, Tajikistan and Uzbekistan. India, Kazakhstan, China, Kyrgyzstan, Pakistan, Russia, Tajikistan, and Uzbekistan. The main objective of Shanghai Cooperation Organization for security related concerns, resolving border issues, intelligence sharing, and countering terrorism. Children, revise carefully the name the global groupings. Okay, because one short answer is there. Yes, list out any 5 global groupings in which India is a member. 9 groups is there. You will select any 5. Okay, right. Children, next I'll explain BRICS. BRICS. BRICS is the acronym coined for an association of the 5 major emerging national economies: Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa are leading emerging economies and political powers at the regional and international level. Originally, the first 4 were grouped BRIC before the induction of South Africa in 2010. BRICS founded in June 2006. Next, the formation of BRICS is 2009. The BRICS organization's headquarters is in Shanghai, in China. Where is the headquarters of BRICS? Shanghai, in China. BRICS open up a possibility for countries of the global south of challenge. The global North India is an active member, and the collaboration paves way for India to build its global profile. Next, the reason for the formation of BRICS. To be an alternative to World Bank and IMF, to challenge US supremacy, to provide self-owned and self-managed organizations to carry out developmental and economical plans in its member nations. Then, objectives of BRICS. To achieve regional development, it acts as a bridge between developed and developing countries. To contribute extensively to development of humanity, to establish a more equitable and fair world. Boost BRICS trade in their local currencies to increase trade cooperation and cope with the current international financial crisis. To promote the technological information exchange among the member states. To enhance inclusive economic growth that will lead to an increase in the creation of jobs, fight against poverty, and accelerate the economic transformation of members. The financial architecture of BRICS. New Development Bank (NDB). The New Development Bank is a multilateral development bank. Its primary focus lending for infrastructure projects. It aims to contribute the development plans established nationally through projects that are socially, environmentally, and economically sustainable. Gives priority to projects aimed at developing renewable energy sources. The Continental Reserve Arrangement is a framework for providing protection against global liquidity pressures, which includes currency issues. BRICS Payment System. At 2015 BRICS Summit, ministers from the BRICS nations initiated consultation a payment system and would be an alternative to the Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunication System. The factors bolster cooperation among members. First, the common need among developing countries to construct an economic order that reflects the current situation. We will drive the BRICS effort. In this matter, the idea of NDP and CRA are defining changes and will have huge geo-economic and geopolitical impact. Second, the BRICS alternative idea in the landscape of global governance will attract support from other countries. Third, the expansion of BRICS interaction to the sector will make it more strong partnership. Children, the BRICS question is very important. One paragraph question is very important. Note it down. Trace the reason for the formation of bricks and write it objects. So three headings are there: formation of bricks, objectives of bricks, okay, and reason for bricks. So note it down. It's very important. 5 mark question. Children, next I'll explain OPEC. The OPEC means the Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries is an intergovernmental organization founded in Baghdad, Iraq, and headquarters in Vienna, Austria. Iran, Iraq, Kuwait, Saudi Arabia, and Venezuela are the OPEC founders members. Note it down. What are the founder member of OPEC? Iran, Iraq, Kuwait, Saudi Arabia, and Venezuela. Right. There are three categories of memberships: founder members, full members, and associate members. There are three categories of membership in OPEC. First one, founder members. Second, full members. And third one is associate members. At present, there are 15 members nations. 2 are located in South America, 6 in the Middle East, and 7 in Africa. At present, there are 15 member nations. 2 are located in South America, 6 in the Middle East, and 7 in Africa. OPEC membership is open to any country that export crude oil and which shares in ideals of the organizations. The OPEC's mission to coordinate all policies in its member countries, help stabilize oil markets, to secure fair and stable income to petroleum producers, an efficient economic and regular supply of oil to consuming nations. How does OPEC help other countries? The OPEC Fund for International Development is an institution that helps finance projects that low interest loan. It also provides grants to social and humanitarian projects. The OPEC has an information center with over 20,000 volumes, including books, reports, maps, and conference proceedings related to petroleum, energy, and the oil market. The information center is open to the public and it's often used by researchers and students. India's relationship with OPEC. India is one of the biggest consumers of crude oil. OPEC obviously has vested interest in India's economic growth. We import 86% of crude oil, 70% of natural gas, 95% of cooking gas from OPEC countries. India has been identified as a great partner for OPEC mainly because of its high oil demand. India doesn't have enough oil reserves. Yes, India cannot produce oil. Devoid of necessary oil reserves, India strongly focuses on agriculture and industrial production. Apart from economic and trade cooperation, India also aspires to have a warm relationship with its neighbors and extend neighbors in the field of education, health, fighting terrorism, disaster management, employment for its citizens, curbing organized crimes, technology, development, and so on. India has always been known as a peace-loving country and has strived hard to champion the cause of peace in the world. Children, now I'll give you answers from book pack 1 mark questions. All are take a social book. Turn to page number 151. First one, choose the correct answer. Question number 1. McMahon Line is border between option A, Burma and India, option B, India and Nepal, option C, India and China, option D, India and Bhutan. The right answer is India and China. Option C, India and China. Question number 2. India is not a member of which of the following? India is not a member of which of the following? Students listen. The option is wrong. Total option is wrong. The answer is second one only. Asian. Answer is second, Asian. G20, SAARC and BRICS also India member. So India is not a member. Second one Asian only. The options are wrong. Okay, right. Question number 3. OPEC is option A, International Insurance Corps. Option B, an international sports club. Option C, an organization of oil exporting countries. Option D, an international company. The right answer is OPEC is Organization of Oil Exporting Countries. Option C. Question number 4. With which country does India share its longest land border? With which country has India shared its longest land border? Option A, Bangladesh. Option B, Myanmar. Option C, Afghanistan. Option D, China. The right answer is option A, Bangladesh. Option A, Bangladesh. Question number 5. Match the following and choose the correct answers from the quotes given below. 1. Salma Dam. 2. Fraka Accord. 3. Chukka Hydroelectric Projects. 4. Sharda River Project. Option A 3142. Option B 3124. Option C 3412. Option D 4321. The right answer is Salma Dam, Afghanistan. Salma Dam in Afghanistan. Fraka Accord, Bangladesh. Chukka Hydroelectric Projects, Bhutan. Sharda River Project, Nepal. So the right answer is option A 3142. Question number 6. How many countries share its border with India? How many countries share its border with India? Option A 5. Option B 6. Option C 7. Option D 8. The right answer is option C 7. The right answer is option C 7. Question number 7. Which two island countries are India's neighbors? Which two island countries are India's neighbors? Option A, Sri Lanka and Andaman Island. Option B, Maldives and Lakshadweep Island. Option C, Maldives and Nicobar Island. Option D, Sri Lanka and Maldives. The right answer is option D, Sri Lanka and Maldives. Question number 8. Which Indian state is surrounded by 3 countries? Which Indian state is surrounded by 3 countries? Option A, Arunachal Pradesh. Option B, Meghalaya. Option C, Mizoram. Option D, Sikkim. The right answer is option D, Sikkim. Option D, Sikkim. Question number 9. How many Indian states have their boundary with Nepal? How many Indian states have their boundary with Nepal? Option A 5. Option B 4. Option C 3. Option D 2. The right answer is option A 5. Option A 5. Question number 10. Who draw up the borders for newly independent Pakistan? Who draws up the borders for newly independent Pakistan? Option A, Lord Mountbatten. Option B, Sir Cyril Ratcliffe. Option D, Clement Attlee. Option D, none of the above. The right answer is option B, Sir Cyril Ratcliffe. Option B, Sir Cyril Ratcliffe. Second, fill in the blanks. Write the answer. Question number 1. Dash is a small Himalayan kingdom. Dash is a small Himalayan kingdom. Answer is Bhutan. Bhutan is a small Himalayan kingdom. Question number 2. India's gateway of Southeast Asia is dash. India's gateway to Southeast Asia is dash. Answer is Myanmar. India's gateway to Southeast Asia is Myanmar. Question number 3. Dash is a buffer country between India and China. Dash is a buffer country between India and China? Answer is Nepal. Nepal is a buffer country between India and China. Question number 4. A strip of land dash belongs to India and West Bengal and Bangladesh border. A strip of land dash belongs to India and West Bengal and Bangladesh border. The answer is Teen Bihar. T-E-E-N. Teen Bihar. B-I-H-A. Teen Bihar. Question number 5. Dash is known as the land of thunderbolt. Dash is known as the land of thunderbolt. Answer is Bhutan. Bhutan is known as the land of thunderbolt. Question number 6. India and Sri Lanka are separated by dash. India and Sri Lanka are separated by dash. Answer is Bog Strait. India and Sri Lanka are separated by Bog Strait. Children, next Roman letter 3. Consider the following statement and take the appropriate answer. First one. The Caledon Transport Project by India and Myanmar consists of which of the following modes of transport? Option 1. Roads. 2. Railways. C. Shipping. 4. Inland water transport. Select the correct answer using codes given below. Option A 1, 2 and 3. Option B 1, 3 and 4. Option C 2, 3 and 4. Option D 1, 2, 3 and 4. The right answer is option B 1, 3 and 4. Question number 2. Asset Sun. India and France launched International Solar Alliance. Reason: it was done to bring together countries between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn for cooperation of solar energy. Option A. A is correct and R is the correct explanation of A. Option B. A is correct and R is not the correct explanation of A. Option C. A is wrong and R is correct. Option D. Both are wrong. The right answer is option A. A is correct and R is the correct explanation of A. Yes, India and France launched International Solar Alliance is correct. It was done of the bring together countries between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn for cooperation of solar energy also correct. So option A is correct and R is the correct explanation of A. Question number 3. Which of the following statements are true? Statement 1. ICCR has initiated a Tagore Chair in University of Dhaka. Statement 2. Myanmar is India's gate to Western countries. Statement 3. Nepal and Bhutan are landlocked nations. Statement 4. Sri Lanka is one of the partner in Indian Nalanda University projects of India. Option A 1, 2 and 3. Option B 2, 3 and 4. Option C 1, 3 and 4. Option D 1, 2 and 4. The right answer is option C 1, 3 and 4. Right answer is option C 1, 3 and 4. Question number 4. Asset Sun. OPEC has vested interest in India's economic growth. Reason: devoid of necessary oil resource, India strongly focuses on agriculture and industrial production. Option A is correct and R explains A. Option B, A is wrong and R is correct. Option C, both are correct. Option D, both are wrong. The right answer is option C, both are correct. The right answer is option C, both are correct. Students, next fourth Roman letter, match the following. First one, Brandeis. Second, Hamhasa. Third, Shinkansen system. Fourth one, BRICS. Fifth one, OBEC. First, Brandeis. The right answer is government city in Visakhapatnam. Brandeis, government city in Visakhapatnam. Question number 2, Hamhasa. The right answer is USA. Second one answer, USA. Third, Shinkansen system. Answer is Japan. Third, Japan. Then fourth one, BRICS. Answer is Shanghai. Fourth, BRICS, Shanghai. Fifth one, OBEC. Answer is Vienna. Fifth one, OBEC. Answer is Vienna. Okay, children, now we are going to end of this session. I hope you are all understanding today's topic, isn't it? Yes. Children, handwriting practice is very important. So whenever you revise the portions, you must write at least 2 times. Don't forget it. Okay. Thank you, children. See you next class.